Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is a long-awaited toning video. I've been waiting to get this supplies in the mail for weeks, which is pretty standard at this point in time with Corona and everything. Yes, I'm going to be toning my hair today. I'm trying to get like a really platinum, silvery, pretty blonde. It doesn't even have to be silvery, just like light ash blonde. I have done toning transformations multiple times on my channel already, but I never cease to be amused by the glow up. A couple months back, I did my bleaching at home video, which was pretty ballsy considering people tend to get slaughtered for posting bleaching videos, especially if you're not a professional. But I did that, and that video got more views than any other view on my channel. So in some ways, this could be like a continuation of that video, hair transformation, because now that I'm like bleached blonde, I'm going to be toning, and I know my hair is an absolute wreck right now. I have very like thick, kind of untamed hair, so if I don't really do anything to it that day, it's all over the place, not to mention it's dry. But I have been using a vitamin E conditioner that I really like. I'll show it to you guys later. Whenever I do my toning videos, I use Wella T18. I usually use 2 boxes of the color and 2 bottles of the little mini developers. However, for some reason, Sally's was unable to ship me the developer, so I had to go on Amazon and I found this L'Oreal Volume 20 developer, which I'm going to be mixing with this today. So I don't know if the results are going to be like the same as they usually are when I use the 2 Wella products or what. But yeah, I'm excited. I've been really wanting to do this. I want my hair to be like that dreamy platinum blonde color. I hope this goes well. Alright, so here I am, just me in my dirty t-shirt. And alright, so on the Wella T18 box color, it says to mix 1 part Wella Color Charm Toning Color with 2 parts 20 volume developer. This is 1.4 flat ounces, so I don't know if I should do like 3 ounces. Fluffy boy. So supplies that I'm using today, I have my little handy dandy clips from Sally's. I have a 1/2 cup measuring tool. I have a little bowl. I have my black gloves and a small little brush. So in my last bleaching video, some people did give me constructive criticism and say like, why are you bleaching your roots first? You do that last. So I don't know if it's the same with toner. Yeah, this is what I work with when it's not like tamed or straightened or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put both of my color charms, again this is Wella T18 lightest ash blonde, I'm gonna just put them both in the bowl, and then I'm gonna do about 6 ounces of developer. I never really had to measure out the developer before. That stuff by itself is really strong. I never tried the L'Oreal developer before. Alright guys, I wish I poured it out on myself. Hey guys, I'm back. I only poured out a little bit on myself, so everything should be okay. There's like a lot of product in here because this is like double. I always do double for my thick ass hair. Okay, I have it decently mixed. See, I have to like start up there. I don't know really how to start down here and then work my way up. Wish I had someone to do this for me. And I still have some purple in my hair, which I'm not really, I mean, I don't mind it, but like I'm not the biggest fan. Girls, quiet down, Monty's sleeping. Damn it. I always kind of slack over here, and this is like a really important area. gosh, I feel like I keep dropping the product everywhere. I don't even know what's going on with me right now. Okay guys, I think I'm pretty much saturated. I did this in like 6 minutes. Of course, I rushed. On the Wella box, it says to let it develop for 30 minutes. I'm probably gonna go a bit longer than that, but I'll keep you guys updated. You guys, I know like it's supposed to get like purple, but oh my gosh, it looks so dark. Hey guys, so I decided that I'll leave it on for 40 minutes. I have about like 8 minutes left, and I'm gonna rinse it out, and it looks so dark purple. Oh my gosh, look at my ear. P.S. guys, this is the conditioner that I was talking about. Okay guys, wow. I think I rinsed it out as best as I can. I'm pretty sure I like it so far. Like, it looks pretty icy blonde in the back view, but we're gonna have to let it dry and style it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh my gosh, my shower curtain. Look like crap. Do 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 do. Hey guys, I'm back. It's the next day, and I have my hair dried and straightened. My brow is itching. Like, what the heck? Here we are with the results. So first of all, this is not my first rodeo with Wella T18, but you know, my hair is always a little bit different before I use it. So like naturally the outcome is always maybe just like a little bit different. I really love this shade. This is what I wanted. Unfortunately my hair was like different colors, and I did still have some purple stuck in it. So in some of the spots back here, like I feel like it even looks greenish, and I don't really like that, but I definitely am gonna leave it for a while. Before I do anything else with it, at least like a month. Mostly I do like it, and this is, you can see how much it did tone my hair. You can see the difference. Had I used the Wella developer rather than the L'Oreal, I don't think the results would have been any different. And yeah, I'm mostly happy with it. Just be careful, like if you use this product on hair that was like purplish or like anything, like you might get a weird color in some spots. My roots turned like a golden brown, which I like that. My makeup looks a little crazy right now. My bangs look a little crazy. I'm just crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.